Morning students, as you all know, yesterday I have completed up to lesson 3 Anansi and 5. Anansi and 5, this is your chapter. So you all have done the question answers, who said to whom, till yesterday, na? So today I am going to demonstrate the next exercises of this chapter. So open the page number 40. Okay. In this, come to the exercise 1. See if you can find the answers of the following descriptions. I am telling you, you have to do this work in your book only with the help of pencil. Don't do it into your fair copy. This is the work of your book, so you have to do it into the book only with the help of pencil. See if you can find the answers to the following descriptions. Unscramble these 4 words to use in the spaces. Means this word is unscramble. You have to change it into a meaningful word. This is C-O-T-O-R-D. It is doctor. Okay. This is secretary. This is nurse. And this is teacher. A person who operates on pupil in a hospital is a doctor. So you can fill up the blanks doctor. Come to the next. A person who looks after pupil in a hospital is a nurse. A person who helps children to learn is a teacher. Okay. Next word is a person who writes letters for somebody else is a secretary. So you all have to fill it into the book only with the help of pencil. And cut this exercise number 2. Come to the 3. The opposites of these words are all in the story. Find them. So these are the words given and opposites are given in the chapter. Like first word is easy. Easy, na? Answer is given in the chapter only. It is difficult. So difficult word is given in this, like this. Okay. So what you can do? You have to fill it into the book only. Like easy word is given, you have to write in front of that difficult. Okay. Difficult. You can write difficult word in the space. Okay. Come to the next. Next is nearest. Nearest opposite is farthest, but it is given in the book furthest. So you can fill furthest. Okay. Next is unkind. Kind word is given in the book, so you can fill kind. This is the opposite of unkind. Okay. Next is displeased. In the starting of the chapter, pleased word is given. It is the opposite of displeased. Okay. Complete it. Next is appeared. Appeared opposite is disappeared. So you can write it disappeared like this. You have to add only this word in front of appeared. Okay. So write it in front of appeared. Next is loved. Loved is opposite is hated. Next word is low. High is given. It is opposite of this. So we write it in front of that. Next is light. Light opposite heavy is also given. Next is pleasant. Unpleasant word is also given. So you can fill it unpleasant. Okay. Complete it into the book only. No need to write it into the copy. Okay. Come to the next one. Next exercise is exercise 4. It is given. Separate these sentences using semicolons and full stops. Don't forget to start each new sentence with a capital letter. So what you all have to do? You all have to given these sentences are there. First is he shot an arrow they just watched. In this you are seeing that always we begin first letter with capital of any sentence. So you can mention it with capital. Make H with capital. he shot an arrow. After this, they just watched it. So you put a semicolon here because this is the next sentence, and put a full stop because it is giving that separate these sentences. It means two sentences are given, you have to separate with the help of semicolon. Okay, this is semicolon, one dot and small comma. Okay, so you can change it like this. Come to the next one. They were good archers, he was good at everything. In this, you can, when you start the any new sentence, you can start with capital. Small is given, so you can change it into capital T. They were good archers, and after that it is the next sentence, so we put a semicolon, one dot and one comma. He was good at everything. After that you can put a full stop because you know that when sentence ended we put a full stop, so we put it here a full stop. Okay, now it is clear. Come to the third one. The dog did not lie, it could not bark or eat. The dog, the is in small, you have to change it into capital T, so you put capital T here. The dog did not die. After that it is second sentence, it could not bark or eat, so you can put a semicolon here in the between of two sentences, and after that at the last you can put full stop. I have two brothers. I have told you in the earlier classes also that name always start with capital. If it into the mid also, you can put a capital N. I have two brothers, Nikhil and Ajay. Ajay is again a name, so you can put capital A. After that, from here, second sentence started. He has a sister, Aruna. So A is with capital Aruna, and put a full stop here. Okay. Come to the next. In this you are seeing that it is I is given already in capital, so there is no need to change it. So it is same as it is written. You only have to change this. Small are given, names are not always in small, it is always in capital, so you can put N A and capital A like this, and put a semicolon in between of two sentences. I have two brothers, Nikhil and Ajay, semicolon, he has a sister, Aruna. Like this you have complete separate two sentences. Come to the next. We like to swim every day. W is given in a small, so you can change it into capital. We like to swim every day. Up to this sentence is completed, so you put a semicolon. She does not. After that you can put a full stop. So you can separate all the sentences like this and complete it like this in your English course book. Okay, and what's your homework? Your homework is to learn all these exercises which I have done today. Okay, so done it into your book. Again and again I am saying turn it into the book with the help of pencil only. Thank you beta. Okay.